Hello. Yes, this is me looking at you through my phone on the rear view mirror of my Celica. Sat here with the engine running, getting nice and warm. I just want to give you a quick show off what I've done to the in-house stereo that comes with the Celica. I've actually swapped it out because it was a piece of rubbish, really. See, it just played CDs and crappy radio, and it was a big mess. I swapped it for this little beauty. This is the Atoto S8 Pro, one step down or so from the Ultra. I don't need it to make phone calls, so anyway, blah blah blah. It's an Android headset, and it does just about everything that an Android system can do. You know how Android works, I'm not going to bore you with that. Okay, background picture is I took that photo incidentally. I just thought you might like to know. That's on a little island called Mana in Fiji, and that little jetty there is where I had a very nice evening once. Anyway, that's by the by. The radio works like this. It might be a bit loud. There you go. There you go. Radio's pretty good. Does everything a radio should. We got maps. I use Waze. Far just works for me. I just like it. There I am, somewhere near my house. I'll never take that away. Really shouldn't have done that. Let me cancel that off. There we go. Bosh. Gallery. You can do loads of stuff with this. I mean, it really is ridiculous, the amount of stuff. I'm not going to go through everything. I'm really not. It's just too much of it. This is all the songs that I've put on. Yep, that's Ring of Fire. I like country music, what can I say? Down here, I swapped out the cigarette lighter because this thing also comes with a fast charge port, so I can fast charge my phone. It's got a data port there, so I can put my phone in and I can do the Android Auto or just the ordinary data links. And then if we go to the glove compartment over there in the corner, I don't think we can see them too well, but there are another two USB inputs that I can use. Go into that, and why you want four. I've also got another two there wired in, and it goes up to the old dash cam up there, but that's not wired into the Atoto. But I can, if I wanted to, put it into there, and I've also put a wire, a reversing camera in. Oh gosh, I can make phone calls like that. Again, I'm not going to bore you with the details and bring up any of my contact list. What else is there I can show you quickly on this before I go and do stuff? I can play games, everything. I've obviously got Netflix if I wanted to watch Netflix. Obviously I wouldn't do that while I'm driving, that'd be suicide. There's loads of stuff on here. I've even got an OBD thingy here, so when it connects up in a second, which is down underneath there, glowing away somewhere. That little there you go. Did they see that? That little, there we go, connected. Right, so now I can let's have a quick look. Real-time information, and there's the real-time of my car, and I can clear all codes and God knows what else. Now, there you go. So there's me revving the engine. It's a little bit of lag, but it works. Press the home button, back to the beginning. Microphone, dimmer, usual Android stuff. One of the nice things about this is it can connect to the home Wi-Fi. See, I live over there. That's my house there. Can't really see it because it's focusing on my hand. There you go. That's my house, and that there is my Wi-Fi inside the house, which I am now connected to. I can also tether my phone to it. See, at the moment there's not a huge amount of signal there, but I am a good 30 meters away, 20-30 meters away, something like that. So yeah, that works. Battery, SIM card, SD card, another USB port, auxiliary port. This thing just does so much, it's ridiculous, and I have to say I am more than just a little bit happy with it. I mean, it's the usual, see all the usual stuff that you can do. The equalizer on this thing is just is awesome. It's, I mean, like I sit in the front, but there's no point me doing it on the phone because but you can change the surround field, you can boost the bass, you boost your cutoffs, you can time correct the speakers so that the sound comes to you later from the rear speaker or from the front speakers, so the sound balances. You can do, oh man, this thing just does so much, it's untrue. I think switch it on and off as you will, and it's just the dog's danglies, it really is. I've forgotten what that button does. Oh, it's Spotify, of course it is, yes. I won't bore you with that, but yeah, but I can play Spotify if I want to. Yeah, so all in all, going back to the mirror, all in all, I'm quite a happy bunny. Very pleased with it. Customer support from China, believe it or not, is excellent. Over the moon with it. So if you're looking for a head unit, an Android head unit for your car, get an Atoto. You won't regret it. Cheers.